In this video, we listed the 5 best mirror dashcam on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AZDOME PG17 Dash Cam. The AZDOME mirror dashcam offers a comprehensive set of features designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. With a 2K high-quality dual lens and full touch screen, it allows for front and rear camera recording, seamless switching between views, and monitoring both lenses simultaneously. The enhanced Super Night Vision captures clear footage in low-light conditions, aided by G-sensors and loop recording for automatic storage of critical video segments. The parking assistance mode serves as a surveillance system when the vehicle is off, while the easy installation process adds to its user-friendly design. Equipped with an 11.8-inch anti-glare high-sensitivity touchscreen, the dashcam enables easy adjustments and control. Offering a 1-year warranty, the dashcam provides a compact and powerful solution for full HD video streaming with advanced features, making it a reliable choice for drivers seeking comprehensive protection and monitoring capabilities. Number 2. OBDPEAK H6 Dash Cam. The OBDPEAK H6 is a sophisticated mirror dashcam that boasts a range of impressive features for enhanced driving safety and convenience. It utilizes 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses with an f1.8 aperture and Sony IMX415 sensor to produce sharp and vivid images. The 12-inch large screen offers real-time viewing of ultra-high-definition giant screen images, with Super Night Vision capability for clear video footage even in low-light conditions. The front camera captures native 4K UHD footage with stunning details, ensuring crisp images and the ability to read license plates even at a distance. The dashcam supports in-app video download and real-time viewing through Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to access HD videos on their mobile devices. Additionally, the GPS antenna enables real-time trip data monitoring and accident location tracking, essential for roadside assistance and insurance claims. The OBDPEAK H6 also features 24-hour parking surveillance with a built-in G-sensor to detect and record potential incidents when the vehicle is stationary. The package includes a rear camera, GPS logger, and various other advanced features like 1:1 display, automatic rear view angle adjustment, and parking mode activation with the OBDPEAK hardware kit. The device comes with a comprehensive FAQ section to address common queries and ensure users have a seamless experience. With a range of specifications and certifications, the OBDPEAK H6 stands out as a reliable and innovative companion for enhancing vehicle safety and monitoring. Number 3. 3-channel dashcam. The 3 channels 4K front and 1080p rear and 1080p inside dashcam offers versatile recording options with various camera configurations to suit different needs. It features a newly upgraded GPS module for real-time location tracking, enhancing safety during your trips. The Super Night Vision capability ensures clear video footage even in low-light conditions. Equipped with a 2.5D glass panel and adjustable screen viewing angles, the dashcam provides a seamless and customizable user experience. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and dedicated app enable easy access to footage without using cellular data. It also includes features like smart parking assistance, 24-hour parking monitoring, G-sensor activation for emergency recording, and loop cycle recording to ensure continuous footage storage. The detailed specifications and installation diagram guide users through setup and usage, while privacy protection measures such as TF card formatting ensure data security. Made with quality components and a range of helpful features, this dashcam is a reliable companion for on-the-road recording and monitoring. Number 4. AZDOME PG19X Dual Cam. The AZDOME mirror dashcam offers high-quality dual-lens recording with a 4K resolution and a 12-inch IPS anti-glare full-touch screen. It features enhanced Super Night Vision with f2.0 aperture, G-sensors, and loop recording for capturing clear footage even in low-light conditions and providing video evidence in case of accidents. The parking assistance mode functions as a surveillance system when the vehicle is off, aiding in parking with its automatic rear camera switching. The dashcam is easy to install, with additional features like G-sensors, loop recording, and a 1-year warranty. The specifications include a working temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, a 6 m cable length, 1.06 kilograms weight, and dimensions of 33 cm * 12 cm * 8 cm. The dashcam supports a wide range of features such as Wi-Fi connectivity, AV-in, and USB 2.0 ports, with a 128 GB data storage capacity and a maximum video frame rate of 30 frames per second. Additional features include motion detection, parking monitor, and compatibility with the AZDOME app for a comprehensive user experience. The dashcam, manufactured by Aliexpress in mainland China, comes with various certifications and a range of advanced functionalities to enhance driving safety and convenience. Number 5. AZDOME Ar09 4K Dash Cam. The AZDOME Mirror Dashcam features a 2K high-quality dual-lens system and a full-touch screen for easy navigation. With enhanced super night vision capabilities, it can capture clear footage even in low-light conditions, ensuring driving safety at night. The parking assistance mode acts as a surveillance system when the vehicle is off, aiding in parking maneuvers. G-sensors and loop recording functions provide video evidence in case of accidents. Easy to install, the dashcam offers a 1-year warranty and a 30-day return/refund policy for a seamless shopping experience. The dual-camera system records in 1080p resolution, offering superior picture quality and clear video for comprehensive protection while driving. Additional features include a wide range of specifications such as G-sensor, motion detection, Wi-Fi connectivity, parking monitor, and more, making it a versatile and reliable choice for vehicle security.